I'm the one and only Labubu.
What's Labubu?
Labo! No!
Ay, putang ina mo, agaw-agaw ka talaga.
Ay!
Ay, ko po.
Ang funny sa
Everything is
POV
mine
ko!
now.
Ang funny sa...
Oh. Oy, pwede ba to kainin, Edkun? Green Crisberry.
What?
Green Crisberry.
I don't
Try
think-
mo.
Yoko. Uy, putang ina mo. Putang ina mo.
Thank you. Walang nangyari din.
Ang ina ka. Hoy, na poison ako. Fuck you.
I don't know. What's the same thing? What's...
LD, trumpet! Trumpet!
Gago.
Ang layo, ting. Ano gagawin natin dito?
Ayan, talon tayo.
Kaya yan, ako muna, ako.
Oh,
Uy,
go.
charot lang, charot lang. Charot lang.
Ina.
Hindi na kaya. Hindi na kaya. Guys,
Tain na yan, napag-rises na agad!
Oh shit, wait.
Abot yan.
Wait, walang,
Okay.
walang,
No, yung
walang,
traffic!
walang spot dyan, walang spot.
Wait, dito ako sa bridge.
How do
Oh,
we...
dito spot here.
Really?
Oo nga, no?
charot lang.
Wala. There's no... We could jump here. And then mag-bridge na lang
Okay.
tayo.
Wow.
Wait, isa!
One by one only.
Sayang.
Anong sa akin yan?
Uy!
Wala na! Andun kasi!
Bigat mo kasi.
Oh, hindi yan. Takina mo. No, Emily.
You can climb up, I think. Oh.
You can climb
Di
up, I
kaya.
think. Oh.
Oh my God! LD!
No, fucking way.
Bakit transparent yan? Bakit transparent yan?
What happened?
I gave you my spawn now! LD!
Stay still, bitch. Oh my... Ouch!
Ay. Oy, kung di ka nang tutulong sa amin, tangina ka.
Wait lang.
Diretso.
Nakayaman.
Let me get my footing for.
Uy!
Footing for...
Uy!
Gago.
Uy!
Nangyari. Naku, te. Wala na. Patay na si LD.
Oy, hindi ako patay.
Girl!
Naman. Oy, I'm really good at this game. Wait lang, I swear to God.
Yes. Wait, maybe I can... chain launcher us out.
Wala! Ah! Ow! Guys, this is a bad first run.
May chain launcher ako. Gang, are you guys alive? Is he dead?
No.
Ellie?
No.
Oh, yes! Buhay pa tayo! I fainted.
Oh.
I fainted again, guys.
Where? Okay ka lang ba? Oh my lord.
Is he dead?
No. Ang dami yung
I
gamit
fainted,
eh.
I fainted.
Ang dami yung gamit.
I fainted, no! Oh, ano? Pagkain pa.
LD!
Shit!
yung green!
No, no.
Wag yung green!
No. No. Bala ka dyan, T.
Kain na mo, Aldoy, nagka-damage ka pa!
Na.
Ay,
Uy! Bitch, may ano dyan. Sino po awa? Di
What the fuck is that?
y'all see that shit?
What is that?
I don't know. Uy, may first aid dito.
ang ina mo ha. Makikip ka. Ayan.
You can't run away from me.
Pigilan mo yan! You are such a fake friend, Emery!
Guys! Ang ina dito.
Puta, ino mo, hindi ka dito. Meron pa ako isa.
Shit.
Itong vines na to, pwede connected to. Saan ba to pwede? Kita try ko.
Doon lang sa spikies. LD!
I'm not dead, I'm not dead, I'm not dead. I'm alive, guys, I'm alive. Tang ina mo talaga eto na. Putang ina mo, nagka-poison na naman ako.
Poison, 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 poison.
Oh shit.
Mas,
Poison.
girl,
Poison.
ako yung nagka-poison, putang ina, kasi pinakain sa akin.
Poison, poison. Edwin! Uy, Edwin! Edwin!
Pero nag-ano siya ng banana stick sa akin, putang ina mo
Poison! Poison!
Isasabotage mo ako, nasabotage kita rin natin lahat, putang ina mo. Putang ina mo. Ah, we go down together, fucking asshole.
Oh shit.
Saan kayo? Huwag na yan. Putang ina ka. Tang ina mo, ang laki ng poison ko, less than half yung ano ko. Fuck you. Tang ina mo.
Oh yeah.
Oy, di mo pa dinulo.
Ay, really?
Ako poison.
Eh, well, it's fine. I have a piton, so I could probably just get up here.
Shit. 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 Get out.
There's another rope.
Ano to, dynamite?
No, it's
Emery dynamite.
Le?
Ay, wait lang. Wait.
No, ayaw talaga. Super konti na lang eh.
ayan.
Yeah.
Oy!
Girl!
Well,
What happened?
tangina nito. Oh ma.
Me?
Hindi ko alam! Promise, iniwasan ko, hindi ko alam! Bobo!
Girl, come here!
Ah, wala! I'm okay! Ay!
Ay.
Okay! Okay, we're safe, we're safe.
Maybe not, maybe
We're
not,
safe,
maybe
we're
not.
safe,
Dito tayo, dito tayo. Holy.
I'm safe, I'm safe, I'm safe!
I'm safe!
I'm safe!
Edwin, where are you?
Grabbing onto something.
Uy, nasa inyo, guys! Where did it
Nandito siya, nandito, nandito.
Nadadala ng tornado in real life. Putang ina.
Hello?
Ayun, narinig ko siya.
I'm hungry.
Hello, hello. Oh, yung balon! Yung balon ni Mami!
Yung balon! Gago ka ba niya?
Oh shit. No! No! No!
May lakba! Tingnan!
Paano yun? Paano yun? Tanong ko sana.
Masakit yan pag bubuksan. Ay.
Ay! Shit. Holy fuck.
Oh! Wag mo gagamitin! Nagpo-float yan! There's no... Zero gravity! No! Wag na! Wait! Hindi ko ma...
Bag!
Wait!
Wait! Okay na yan, okay.
Asan si Edson? Hindi ko to mabibitaw!
Man, I'm dead.
Ah! How did you die? How did you die?
Mali, akin.
Yung twister.
Hindi na yan sa siguro dito.
Oh shit.
Hindi na yan. Wala na yan. Wala na. Oh, di ba?
Yung anti-rope! Yung anti-rope! So wait lang. Come here, Eldin. I have the rope cannon. I have rope cannon.
Okay, nasa ka. Wow!
Yung rope cannon ko to, ah.
Oo. Oh my God. Ay.
Uy! What the fuck? Hindi ko wala! Wait! Yeah! Hindi mo kasi sinabihan, Edgar, you fucking bitch! I have to put it down! I have to put it down! What the fuck? May cactus! May cactus sa akin! Yung cactus! Yung cactus!
Wait lang, shot na kaka. Ayan.
Thank you. May shade!
Ayan.
Nakuti tayo pa pinagsama talaga, Diyos ko. Sabi ko sa'yo, Marie, hindi tayo nag-hiking. Hindi tayo nag-hiking, Marie. Tayong dalawa pa
Dali, dali, dali!
Wala akong
Kaya
stamina,
nga si
wait lang.
Edgar pa yung namatay.
Bobo kasi. Gage.
Uy! Arr.
Ang sakit.
Marami ang pan-luggage.
Itapon mo yung dynamite eh, Eldin. When it activates, throw the dynamite away.
Ah, you can do that pala.
Throw it away! Throw it away! What? Ayan.
Patay na ba yung ano? Ay, tubig lang.
Girl, umakyat ka na dito!
May pagkain pa ba ako?
Meron pa ako dito marami.
Ako, wait lang.
Dynamite.
Uy, ano yun?
I did not throw that dynamite away.
Oh.
Okay, how do we, can we jump that? No, we
Wait
can't.
lang, wait lang. Let's just wait until it goes down. Pag bumaba na yung lava, we can just run for
Saan
it.
tayo?
Dito.
Oh.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Dito ba tayo? Or dito? Here or
Here.
Saan?
Oh, okay.
Ah, okay.
And it's going down, it's going down.
Going down, it's going down, it's going down. Aray ko, putang ina, it's not coming down yet. Fuck me. Ayan na ba yun? Yan na ba yun? Yan na ba
Make
yun?
a run for it! Make a run for it!
Chef, wala akong ano!
Edgar! Edgar! No, it's okay!
Oh shit.
Edgar!
Wait,
It's
no, I'm
going-
fine, I'm fine, I'm fine. Oh fuck! No, I fell.
Guys,
Man
I'm
up
gonna
there.
revive you.
Rocket
I'm
launcher,
gonna
rocket launcher ka na, ewan ko.
Wag, na.
Should I come back for your gamit?
No, girl, wala na, nasa laban natin. Wag na.
Oo.
Ay, nasusunog ba?
I mean, we can check later, pero just
Alam
go
mo
up.
bakit ako namatay? Sa labar, nawala ako. Sa labar ako lumubaba.
Yippee! Ay, no. RP, roleplay lang. Uy, Scout Cannon. What the fuck, Scout Cannon?
Walang kwenta to guys, tingnan nyo to. Walang kwenta yan. Eto, tingnan mo. Mamamatay tayo.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
That was a mistake.
Tangina mo, sabi ko sa'yo.
Esko!
Okay
Kulang
lang.
tuloy!
Okay lang
Okay
yun.
lang yun. What made, wait, you fucking dumb ass. Ha? You call me bobo, pero that, your action that is bobo. What makes you think you can do that in lava? Putang inang bobo, puta.
I didn't go down in the lava, okay?
We're fucking, shut the fuck up. We're fucking hungry right now.
Kaya niyo na yan.
Ano kaya?
Tanginang yan.
Kailan ka ma-revive? Next year?
Wala na.
Wala
Kasi
na.
after nito tapos na.
Yeah.
Putang ina mo, bobo kasi.
It's okay, guys.
Ewan ko sa'yo, mama mo.
I need you guys to win this so that I can get my achievement.
Ah!
Achievement pa nahabot! Oh my God!
Tatalong na ako sa labaw right now. Right now. Tamad kay putang ina mo.
Hindi, te. Yung achievement is if
Mama mo, bala ka sa buhay
I
mo.
get left behind.
You are not valid. You are not valid.
You are not Gusto ko malaman if may space para dito.
Pwede, meron. Meron space.
You have to point the cannon where you want to go.
Trying.
Nako.
Oh shit. How do you adjust it? Wala nang adjust?
Wala. You have to adjust it before you put it down.
Okay. Can you try?
Sana ako, sakay na lang ako.
Go.
Go. Ignite it.
Oh, shit.
Oh.
Emily, my last words are fuck you! Fuck you!
Man.
Oh, too high.
No. Sayang.
Goodbye guys. Ba't kasi bawal na i-adjust to? Ang daya talaga. What the fuck?
Kita mo, Emily, pumunta ka sa...
Saan ako? Guys, tama na. Magiging Wendigo na ako. Goodbye.
Gagawin ko na!
Damn.
It was a good run, guys. What the fuck?
Yes.
Ang masasabi ko, guys, si Edkun may kasalanan.
Huh?
Kasi nagpakamatay pa sa siya. Oo. Imbis na hindi siya nagpakamatay, di sana.
Well.
Alam mo?